Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating realm of Ethereum, the whale's buying activity, and the forthcoming Dencun upgrade. In recent days, Ethereum has been making headlines with its price crossing the $3,100 barrier, marking a new 52-week high at $3,153. While some market players regard this peak as a mere placeholder, the whales anticipate a massive leap, leading them to accumulate more Ethereum. The Ethereum price isn't just soaring on a whim. Multiple bullish catalysts are fueling this skyrocketing trend, including the upcoming Dencun upgrade, the Ethereum ETF, and overall positive market sentiments. Amidst this bull run, three whale wallets are buying ETH as if it's going out of style. In a bold move, one of these Ethereum whales has made a significant purchase, acquiring 6,000 ETH worth a staggering $80,690,000 from Kraken in just the last week. The wallet address now boasts a total balance of 26,380 ETH, which translates to the same hefty amount. This substantial investment is more than just a bet. It signals a strong belief in the programmable blockchain's future prospects and underscores the whale's aggressive positioning in the market. Now let's shift gears and focus on the much-anticipated Dencun upgrade. This upgrade is set to revolutionize Ethereum's scalability and security, propelling it into a new era of crypto dominance. So, what have we uncovered today? Ethereum's recent price surge isn't a random blip on the radar. It's a result of strategic moves by the whales, bullish market catalysts, and the impending Dencun upgrade. The whales are betting big on Ethereum, and their aggressive buying activity is a testament to their confidence in this programmable blockchain's future. Meanwhile, the Dencun upgrade is poised to take Ethereum to new heights, enhancing its scalability and security. In this crypto era, one thing is clear. Ethereum is not just surviving, it's thriving. It's a fascinating space to watch, and we'll be right here, keeping you updated on the latest twists and turns. Thanks for tuning in.